Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the extended hours in TradingView in 2026. First of all, you need to come here on TradingView. When you are here, make sure that you are on any chart. It can be a stock chart or index chart or anything. In order to launch the chart, you just have to hover over to the top, then click on the option of products. You can also use the search bar here on the top. After that, you can launch any of the charts in front of you. Now, once the chart is launched successfully, you just have to right click anywhere on the chart area. Just make sure that you are clicking on the main chart and not on an indicator panel. Now, after clicking on the chart, simply click on the option of settings. Now in the settings, you are going to see a bunch of different tabs at the top. So here you just have to click on the option of trading among all. Now this is the section which is going to control how the trading sessions data appears on your chart. So here on this particular page, we just have to scroll down because the option we need is usually near the bottom. You need to look for the checkbox that says extended price lines across the entire chart width. So here you will find it here. So once you find it, you just have to turn it on. As you can see, for my trading view, this particular option is turned on. So you will have to also turn this toggle button on, and that's it. Now your extended hours prices will show up much more clearly because TradingView will stretch those extended session levels across the full width of your chart and not during the regular market hours. You can also change the order and the position alignment with the help of this particular option. So once you are done, click on the option of OK. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.